Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to join private server links on mobile in Roblox. So let's get right into it. So guys, if you have any of link for the private server, so you can directly go to that link and you can open up your game and you can join your game. But instead of this, you can also join private server if you don't have any of link or else. So simply select the game that you want to play and then you have to go on this friends icon, and in this pop-up you will see create private server. Here you can create your private server and you can also join private server with the bunch of many friends. Like if I go with this server, so I can join any of private server by follow these simple steps, and I can easily play any of game on Roblox in mobile. So this is how you can join private server links on mobile in Roblox. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.